In this video, we're going to look at how to find the highest number from a range using an Excel formula. In this example, we have a range of numbers from cell B3 through to C10. And what we're going to do here is to extract the highest number from this range. I'll show you two ways that this can be achieved. With the first method, we'll simply use the max function, which returns the highest number from a selected range. So let's enter this formula into cell E3. It's equals max open parentheses. And all we need to do here is select the range of cells from which we want to return the highest number. So let's select range B3 through to C10. And then we'll complete the formula with a closing parentheses and press the enter key. And that's it. The formula is now returning the highest number from the selected range. With the second method, we'll use the large function. The large function returns a number from a selected range based on the nth largest position. So let's go ahead and enter this formula into cell F3. That's equals large open parentheses. The first argument of the large function is the range from which we want to return the highest number. So we'll select range B3 through to C10, followed by a comma. The second argument of the large function is the number value that specifies the largest number to return from the selected range. In this example, given that we want to return the largest number, we'll simply insert a value of 1. And then we'll complete the formula with a closing parentheses and press the enter key. And that's it. The formula is now returning the highest number from the range. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.